is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called Chinese Cabbage, pork, and sweet potato noodles stew. Hence name we call it 猪肉炖粉条. The main ingredient we need the sweet potato noodles. You can buy from Asian market this brand. You can go to Chinese market or Chinese grocery store or the Korean grocery store. They sell this. I bought this one. It's a Korean brand. Sweet potato noodles. And we need the pork. We need the pork shoulder, close 1 pound pork shoulder, and one small one cabbage or Chinese cabbage, and 3 scallion or green or pot green onion, and 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon ginger, and 1 star anise. And we also need some plain sugar. And those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we open the package of this brand of the sweet potatoes. We open the package. We don't need this whole package. We just probably get it will be like this. You can see it will be like this. We just get probably this bunch of it. I think this is enough. This bunch I think it's already a lot. So put in the pot. Put it back to the. So this we put in the you find a pot and put it in a pot. And don't try not to squeeze just like put it like this. Now we add the boiling water into it. When we add boiling water, it becomes soft. So you add boiling water to it and use a chopstick to make like the sweet potato noodles and soak it in the hot water. Okay, so just soak it like it becomes soft and just leave it there. Okay, we cut the scallion or green onion. We just already washed and peeled that skin. We just cut the root off. The root we don't want really. And then we cut from middle. Then this we just cut it very small, chop it like this. Cut it to small pieces. This is a scallion of ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger. You can have ginger for 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. So we just cut off this little piece of ginger off there. Yes, so it's probably just 1 tablespoon ginger. So we just cut it. Now we chop it. So the ginger we get. Okay, now we cut the napa cabbage. In napa cabbage we cut like this. Cut like this. So this one we just leave it here. And we cut it this. So we cut it a bit like this big. And so the leaf part we don't cut it. The leaf part just we put it into the pot to wash it. This part we just need to try to get this. And this part we just cut it off. and put it into, we want to throw that in. So this we put it into the pot. We'll wash it. Okay, we can put up water. We use the cold tap water to rinse it, this napa cabbage a few times. Try your hand to separate the napa cabbage. Off the water. Add the water now. Off the water. Drain the water. Don't let it work. Don't let it work. Start it out. Wash again. Okay, this is the last time to rinse it or wash the veggies. We just drain the water. This time we just drain all the water out. Careful to dump the red ball. Okay, and most of the water is gone. Okay, let's put the veggie aside to use later. This one. Okay, we cut the pork shoulder. The pork shoulder we cut it to cube. So let's cut this first piece. Now we just cut it. This. Cut it. So we cut it this way. Probably too big. Cut it. So this if anyone be this small, the big cube. Okay. This is the meat we get. Okay, now you can see the water is not very hot. It's just warm. You can see the sweet potato noodle becomes soft. Right now we just drain the water. We don't want to soak too long because it will become too soft. Texture won't taste good. So I drain the water. Okay, now we put it aside and for later use. Pan stove, medium flame. When the pot is hot, we add a quarter cup of vegetable oil to it. Rinse in the pot. This is the plain sugar. We add 2 tablespoons plain sugar to it. Yeah, it's 2 tablespoons plain sugar, and slowly fry. Right now you can see the sugar is melt, and the color change to the brown. When the color change to brown, we add the ginger. Yeah, ginger scallion and into it. So slowly fry, but don't burn them. Scallion, ginger, and star anise. Okay. Once the ginger and star anise really good smell, we put the meat into it and fry. Slowly fry. Slowly fry until the fat in the pork come to the oil. Just the meat, the fat, the oil, and the seasoning in the pot. So we just slowly fry. You can see when you fry a little well, there's a lot of water liquid in the pot. So just don't worry, just keep slowly frying until the liquid is gone and the meat is mostly fully cooked, and it's just the oil fat in the leave in the pot. Then we do the next step. Now you see it's just the oil, the pork, the fat, and the meat, and no liquid. You can see just the oil. Then we go to the next steps. We add the Chinese cabbage into it. Chinese cabbage or napa cabbage into a pot. Careful, don't dump the water to it. We just want just the vegetable. Then we fry it with a chopstick to slowly stir on the left. This is the dark soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce to it. Don't add too much and mix. This is plain salt. We add, I think we add 1 teaspoon plain salt to it. This is hot water. We add hot water to it. The hot water we add probably just most of the, you see the veggies and the meat. You can soak in the water, but don't add too much. Now we cover the lid. Let the veggie and the meat slowly to cook. When it's boiling, you see it's boiling. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it, don't add too much. Then mix it. Slowly cook. We'll put the lid on. Okay, we check it. Right now the cabbage becomes soft. You can see it's become soft. We add the sweet potato noodles into it. This is sweet potato noodles. It's very, this sweet potato noodles we add to it. It's very long. We use a scissor or use a hand to pull it. To pull it to part. It's very easy to pull it. They add it to it. If you don't want to use a hand, you can use a scissor to do it. And right now we mix it. cut the lid, let it keep cooking for a little while, then we check it. Okay, now we try the meat. The meat is fully cooked. The cabbage is fully cooked. And the rice noodle right now is very soft, so this dish is done. It comes to the stove. So this dish is done. We don't want the rice, sweet potato noodles become too soft, become pieces. They still have a shape. So the Chinese cabbage, Chinese cabbage, pork, sweet potato noodles stew is done. This dish is done. Chinese name we called 猪肉炖粉条. This dish is done. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.